All right, ride day, ride day, ride day. We had a wonderful day here at Sawyer Custom and Speed. Guys showed up, had about 4 of them ripping around on the track. Yep, you guys missed it on Facebook. I posted something about a ride day. Nobody said nothing. YouTube, well, there's not a whole lot of comments and stuff on this, so I didn't really know who might show up or who might not, so I didn't even post it. I wanted to see how it would go. Tony gathered some friends together. We got the freestyle ramp out. We got GoPros, different places. The track was great. The guys even turned around, put some shovels on it, fixed a couple of things, and got wore down. Notice we've got some subscriber tabs on Facebook and YouTube. Those are for special content. I'm going to be doing early releases, compilations, some of these videos without editing. I'll turn around and put all the different clips and stuff up in one big video. You guys get to see it unedited, and you get to see clips that were left out. There's going to be 3 videos from the ride day. This is the first of 3. We did have some 3-wheelers out there, mostly quads, all Yamahas, of course. Was a great day though. Go ahead, if you haven't subscribed, like I said, slap around that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on content, potential ride days, and possible free gifts. You never know what's going on here at Sawyer Custom Speed. Always want to be in the loop. I'll jump off here, let you guys get to watching the rest of the video. Enjoy it. Have a great day.